I like to think about myself that I'm a creative person, and computers are like a huge part of my life, and I'm just enjoying working with computers on a daily basis. And I could merge in my life hobby with an office job. Mainly I'm responsible for give support in the software development process. The common thing about software development and cooking is that you have some recipe, and the goal is to create something, a dish or the software. And even if you have like a recipe, you can change something. The secret about good pierogi is you need to make a dough very fast. My friend found a job here at Leica. He asked me also to send my documents. That was really interesting for me, and of course I agree. And then one day I got email and they asked me if I'm willing to travel here for the interview. From that point, it moved very quickly, and then I agreed, and here I am. There's a lot of things you can do. It's really nice here, and I don't have any issues living here.